Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your font on your Windows 11. So this is very simple, so let's begin. First on your taskbar, search for settings. Then once you're inside these settings, you want to look for personalization. Now in here, click fonts. Now you have a list of fonts here, but we're going to do, so this is the default fonts of your Windows 11. So what we're going to do is go back to taskbar and go type run and type here notepad, then click OK. Now once you're inside here, so just type this and feel free to pause it just to copy it. Now once you're done copying it, you want to save the file and name it to your font. Now just save as the type. And once you're done, go to your file and look for the notepad that we've saved. Now once you've done it, just click it. There will pop up a small window. Just click yes and then restart your computer and you're good to go. So just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.